Sa kanila trohon.
Oo, kanay.
Di sa kanila.
Oo, kanay.
Asa to pagka mama? Kanang buhit.
Ako anong lapas mo. Hindi mo sa buhitan. Dire.
Ha? Di sa kanila dyan.
This is where I need the weather stripping right here, and then across the top, and then across the top, and then the molding. And the doors are done. They're sealed up pretty good. They don't move. We made these tracks for them. This is our angle bar from our roof. So we didn't have to buy any more materials. And they work just fine. We'll paint them to match this color, paint those, and done. It's pretty secure. I mean, it's super strong. These doors don't even shake. And they slide perfectly well. We got them closed up and locked, so they'll keep their, so they kind of make a, you know, a kind of form. You do have a little space here. I'm thinking maybe I can get some weather stripping in here. So they're gonna be, still gonna be a work in progress, the doors. But far better than I thought I was gonna end up with. I got a little, I'm still a little nervous. These ones do have a little play in them. They must have routed too much. The groove must be too big on the bottom, but I think I can live with it. I don't really have a choice. This one's pretty solid. No play. Most likely this will be the main entrance that we go in and out of, this door and in this door. Rest of the doors will be locked. You know, we'll be using them from the inside. You know, the whole purpose of these to have doors like that is to open everything up to the environment, to the breeze. Right now I'm standing here, even though there's no glass here. You wouldn't believe the breeze that I'm getting. And a breeze in the Philippines is it's like gold. It's good now. These guys are great. They're working overtime on Sunday. Okay. Good. No shaking. I like that. This one right here shakes. I'm worried about it. But nothing you can do, right? Can't fix it. How come? It's too big on the bottom? Because if it's windy, these are gonna go. Why like that?
Yes, sir.
This is the only door. This is the only door that has any play in it. All the other ones, nothing. Nice and tight.
Gusto niya di magalaw-galaw no.
My guys are really good. I really love them. They're working half a day. I told them to come in. I didn't tell them. I asked them if they could come in and work half a day today to get these doors done. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. We still have 5 more sets to go. And the glass people are coming tomorrow. They're not going to get them done. They might get 1 more set done over here before they go home. And then the rest they'll do tomorrow. I think they could have probably the master villa done by the time the guys get here to do the glass. But the problem is they're doing the whole enchilada all at once. All they have to do is put the brackets and hang them. That takes no time at all. But they're doing the tracking system. They're doing everything at the same time, which is then they have to fit the doors. They have to keep adjusting the level to make sure that when they close evenly. So it's not as easy as it looks. It really isn't. So we got to get this part all stained back up, and it'd be nice if I could find a piece of weather stripping to go right in here, and that would take away any. Or on this side. No, not on this side. That's not going to do anything. The gap is here. But here's the track. It came out really good. Yeah, we will get some dirt and dust in here. That's going to be a pain in the ass to clean. But we'll have a vacuum for that.
Ano? Sa palagay mo. Kari okay si Jack na ay gamay ra diri ha. Kanang kuan na importante susugan na ito. Kari tanawan. Ipadikit na to ni sa
Bali na kinaunahan niya, tangtang ko na.
ni ibutangan na to kuan bulkasin. Bulkasin la tong kuan ba? Ana. Kana. Ano siya?
So anyways, Sunday morning, I'm making. So I bought like a whole roast. They're actually pork chops, but they're not cut into pork chops. It's just a whole roast, and I'm slow roasting it on the Weber grill. Something that they're not used to here. They're used to keeping the flames hot and cooking everything as fast as you can. And so, poor Manong, I got a little flustered with him. I have to apologize to him because he took the cover off and he flamed the flames, and it burnt a little bit of the bottom of the roast. Thank God I caught it just in time. I told him not to take the cover off, but he didn't know. And the thing is, the pork is, it's not expensive, but it's not cheap either. So I have to buy him a drink later. Poor Manangi. And it looks like somebody was playing with my cover because it's already hanging off. I don't know why people can't leave the cover alone. If they just leave the cover alone, this thing will cook just the way I want it to. You see, I got my little gauge here. Between 250 and 300 is where I want it. And that'll keep this roast cooking slowly. I put it on at 9 o'clock. And I wish that there was a way to seal these things up. There's no way to seal it. So I don't know what time is it. It's like almost 11. This is on at 9. Around 12 o'clock, 12:30, should be done. I'll give you a little sneak peek. So it's definitely getting there. But these guys, they're not used to cooking something slow like this.
Can I bring this?
Yeah, did you open the cover for
No.
this? Okay, where you going?
We will go to the Polygon.
Oh, okay. We're not leaving right now.
I will preparing.
You're preparing?
Yep.
Oh, good girl. If I could just get this cover, it's just a little too fat. So hard to cook stuff here. Low and slow. So that's what we got going on today. Gotta take a shower, a bath, whatever you want to call it. With the little Weber. Lynn's not feeling that great. She's been lying down all day. Kyla's packing her things. She's so excited to go to Taliban. Misses her friends there. Guys are finishing up the doors. And that's really it. I'm not sure if we'll eat this roast here or if we're gonna eat it in Taliban. I think Lynn's kind of itching to get going. I'm in no rush.